Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. Today I want to do a quick video, just my simple contour routine. After my live on Instagram last week, I had messages asking me questions about contouring, and I'm by no means a professional. I'm not like a makeup artist. I just really like makeup. I've been playing with makeup since I was like 10. Have taken like one makeup class and have just watched countless hours of YouTube makeup tutorials. So I get some questions about my contouring routine, so I thought I would just show you. It's really fucking simple. Like, I don't do anything fancy. I don't use cream contours. I don't use like fancy contour kits. I don't use fancy brushes. I literally just use a contour or bronzer shade and just put that in certain parts of my face, and so super easy, anybody can do it. I'm using this Tarte contour palette. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use, you know, the Physicians Formula butter bronzer. This one's a little bit too orange for me though, which is why I haven't been using it. And then another one I like is this, it's really messy and old, is this NYX contour kit. I use this for traveling because it's smaller. This is just what I've been using right now. I've been using just this middle shade. I don't use anything else in this palette. Whatever contour or bronzer shade suits your skin, that should work. I use this one because it's kind of light and it's kind of a cooler tone. For my ultra fancy contour brush, I've been using this Wet n Wild blush brush that I got at the Dollar Tree. I contour around my forehead here to kind of warm it up and give a little bit of dimension in my head so it's not just a solid white block. And then I contour right under my cheekbones to give my cheeks more definition, and then I contour the sides of my nose just to make my nose look a little bit thinner, and then I contour this little dangly thing right here a little bit. It hangs down really far, so I like to kind of try to cover it up a little bit. So I start like I start at one temple, and then I just swirl it and go to the other side and just keep doing that until it's blended. And then I don't put anything in the middle here. I think it adds a little something. It just warms up your face a little bit up here. I take some more of that and I start right here at the top of my ear in my hairline and just go down underneath my cheeks, but not too low. I blend back and forth like this, and then I also blend up because I want it to lift my face, not drag my face down. So don't like pull it down. Do it in like little circles and push it up a little bit, and then it'll blend into your blush better. Giant pimple right there that hurts really bad to put my brush over. You can see like a difference. This looks much more defined, adds a lot more definition. And then I check it in like different lighting to make sure like it's not gonna look all crazy when I go outside or something, which is why I'm moving my mirror around. And then it just depends on your face. I like to bring mine up to here so that you can see the contour from the front of my face. If I just brought it to like here, you wouldn't really be able to see it. So I kind of bring it up to almost the corners of my mouth. I bring it up to here. Another little tip is to find where you should put it is suck your cheeks in. Or like smile. Sometimes I'll go like that and it kind of shows where it sticks up, like that's where your cheekbone is, and then you go like right underneath it. I'm not like real picky with my nose. I just try to make it look a little bit thinner. I take a little fan brush. This makes it a lot easier to keep me from overdoing it. I just take that same color, I contour under here, and then I contour just right very gently on the top side of my nose. So like, I think of it as like a line right up the middle, and then right beside the line right here is where I contour on both sides. Basically the line that my eyebrow goes down, and just like lining the brush up with my eyebrow. And then I add some blush. And then I see the line right here is a little bit harsh, so I just take a brush that doesn't really have anything on it. This is mostly like a contour routine, but I guess highlighting is kind of part of it. Put it on the tip of my nose, which I think is really cute. Some people don't like it, but I think it's cute. Put just a little bit right up here where my nose starts. If you do a line straight down through, it draws people's eyes to that line, and it can actually elongate your nose. So if that's what you're going for, do that. My nose is long enough. It doesn't have that long line that elongates it. And this can actually shorten your nose a little bit. Like, it doesn't make my nose look that much different, but it can shorten it a little bit. That is it for my super easy contouring routine. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.